I'm here at PNG Jewelers in Sunnyvale, California. PNG Jewelers is a name in jewelry that has been around for 184 years. In the Bay Area, they've been here for 8 years. Of course, in Sunnyvale, we're celebrating tonight their 8th anniversary, and in Fremont, they have a store that's been there for about a year. It is a fabulous store with exquisite jewelry. I hope you get to see it. And now they also have an online store, and soon they'll be opening one in the East Coast. It's been an excellent event tonight. I'll take you to the highlights.
My name is Priya Vasan. I am the Customer Relations Manager here at PNG Jewelers. Tonight, I promise you a very fun night today. So please stay with us in its entirety.
I'm here talking to Rajendra Soni. He's the director of PNG Jewelers here in the Bay Area and of course for the Fremont store. The exciting thing this year, we are on our 8th anniversary. Rajendra Soni ji, I remember when the store started the first year, how exciting it was. And just last year, Fremont store started with Preeti Zinta was here. Congratulations to you for the store, again, the 8th year. It's wonderful to have you here in the Bay Area.
Journey of this 8th year, I remembering the legend, Daji Kaka. Daji Kaka Gadgil is the founder of this company. And I very well remember in 2008, while we opened the store, so at the age of 96, he came and encouraged, and I worked very near with the Daji Kaka. Means when I start the Paul Road store first in 2001, so that time Daji Kaka at the age of 90, and he was spending 4-5 hours in the store. So I learned many things from the Daji Kaka, and the biggest vision of the Saurabh sir, Mr. Saurabh Gadgil, is the grandson of Daji Kaka Gadgil. And after joining the company, and due to his big vision, company started expanding the stores. So right now we have, as Priya mentioned, 18 stores in India, 1 in Dubai, 2 in USA. And also we are now expanding our new store in the East Coast very soon. We will declare within just a few days. Thanks.
Your jewelry is known for its purity and your customer service is exemplary. What are some of the new things that you have added in the coming years that make it easier for customers to come in and buy from you?
For the customer, we are doing lots of the things like, we are now working on the online store, so customer can buy from anywhere. Our India online store is already working and people already buying from all over the India. So the same we are working for the US also, Dubai. Then we are continuously working on the designs, just not to what is the trend, market trend, what new should be we have to implement. We have the designers in house. They do continuous designs. We go to the different exhibitions, jewelry exhibitions, and we try to learn the different what the new designs.
So diamonds, PNG Jewelers is the only company who does 100% exchange lifetime. Money back 90% lifetime. We just recently started that. We are very excited about it. All our certified diamonds. We stand behind our product. PNG Jewelers is known for its integrity, purity, trust, unique designs and excellent customer service. So you'll always get that with us forever.
So this is champagne,
Yes.
champagne with
Polki.
champagne polki. And then I also saw wonderful temple jewelry, which is stunning. And
We have antique jewelry with kundan, temple jewelry, yellow gold jewelry and contemporary diamond jewelry.
very nice. And the fashion show was
Amazing.
fabulous. Wonderful jewelry. Some of the things, they were just stand out.
Absolutely.
Stunning.
Whatever is your poison, we are here to serve you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you, and thank you for having us here. I'm here with the Vice Mayor of the City of Cupertino, Savita Vaidyanathan. Hi, Savita. What brings you here to PNG?
I was very honored to be invited to their 8th anniversary celebration right here in Sunnyvale, and hearing that the company was established in 1832 in a small town in Maharashtra, Sangli, and grown to 20 stores worldwide. It was truly my honor and pleasure to be at this event here today.
Great. Thank you so much. Did you get to see some of the designs?
Actually, I did. I saw the fabulous models on the runway and all the jewelry that they were wearing, and then went back into the store to check some more out.
Great. Thank you for being here. It's an honor.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Neetu?
Vaishvi and Neetu, what are some of the things that you like about PNG Jewelers and their jewelry?
PNG Jewelers, I really like that they have a unique design to every kind of jewelry, whether it's gold or diamonds, and that was great. Yeah.
Did you enjoy participating in the fashion show?
It was an honor to participate in the fashion show, and I had a great time.
How about you, Neetu?
Yeah, I had a great time here at PNG Jewelers, and I really like their collection because they are age appropriate, like for teenagers, for college goings, for office goers, and then for age-wise people as well. So I really like.
Something that you remember, a fond memory from growing up that stuck out as far as jewelry is concerned, a piece of jewelry that you really like, something there that sticks out at you that you really want in there.
I remember my mom wearing an elegant, that Mangalsutra kind of thing, and they have a lot of pieces out there, and so I would anytime would like to enjoy that thing because it brings out the elegance in an Indian woman.
Yeah, nice. And what do you like?
Well, I mean, diamonds are a girl's best friend, so I've always liked diamonds, and wearing that today was amazing. And they have like all kinds of designs, whether it's a big necklace or a little dainty little ones, but they're amazing and they're beautiful. So.
Seema and Priya, what are some of the things that you liked about PNG Jewelers, and specifically any piece that you like and why you liked it?
Basically, I am from Maharashtra, I am from Mumbai, so they have very unique designs, very traditional designs from Maharashtra, and I like all of them. And diamond jewelry, primary jewelry is also very unique.
Yeah.
And since I am in Bay Area, I'm like it's been last 6-7 years. I'm buying diamond jewelry and gold jewelry from them because they have very beautiful designs.
Wow. How about yourself?
Yeah, actually I'm from Pune, so they have a very big showroom over there, and my parents still buy there. I love their temple jewelries which I was wearing. It's beautiful, and I'm very excited that they are coming in the East Bay.
Is wearing temple jewelry. Temple jewelry. That was beautiful, huh? And whatever the beautiful models were wearing, they are all on sale. So come see me if you are interested in anything.
Reporting from Sunnyvale, this is Kavita for Satari TV.